Mark 9. Jesus' body changed. Jesus can't tell them, I tell them a true word. Some people dey here wey no go die until they don't see God kingdom and in power. After 6 days, Jesus, Peter, James, and John come go one high mountain. E come change for their front. In clothes come dey shine well and e white pass how any dry cleaner go fit wash am. Then Elijah and Moses come appear for their front. They talk with Jesus. So Peter tell Jesus, Teacher, e good make we stay here. May we build 3 tents, one for you, one for Moses, and one for Elijah. Then they fear and they not know wetin to talk. Then cloud covered them, and one voice come talk from the cloud say, This na my only pikin wey I love. Make una lis ten to am. When they look around, they not see anybody except Jesus. As them they come down from the mountain, Jesus can't tell them, make them not tell anybody waiting them see, until man pikin go don wake up from death. Then they come they talk with each other about waiting this wake up from death mean. They ask Jesus, wetin make the law teachers they say Elijah go first come? Jesus answer them, True, Elijah go first come. Make it for prepare everything. Now make them right for God word say, man pikin must suffer many things and they must hate am. But I dey tell una now, say Elijah don't come, true, and they don't do am wetin they like, just as God talk for him word. The disciples not fit heal. When Jesus, Peter, James, and John come meet the other disciples, they see many people and the law teachers gather dey argue with them. When the people see Jesus, they surprise, come run quick go greet am. Jesus ask them, wetin una dey argue about? One person among the people come answer, Teacher, I bring my pikin wey get demon, wey dey make am not fit talk, come meet you. Anytime the spirit sees am, he go throw am down and he go dey bring foam from him mouth, dey grind him teeth and him body go come straight. I tell your disciples, may they drive the demon comot, but they not fit. Jesus come ask him disciples, una wey not believe, how long I go stay with una? How long I go dey bear with una? Make una bring the boy come meet me. So they take the boy go meet am. When the spirit see Jesus, he quick throw the boy for ground, come make am dey shake. The boy fall for ground, dey roll and foam dey comot from him mouth. Jesus ask the boy papa, since when this thing don dey do am? The papa answer, na since he be small pikin. The spirit dey always throw am inside fire or water make he for die. But if you go fit do anything, make you sorry for am and help us. Then Jesus ask am, you mean if I fit? everything dey possible for the person wey believe. Quick, the boy papa come shout, I believe, oh, help me make I believe more. When Jesus see say people dey gather, he come tell the evil spirit, you deaf and dumb spirit, I command you, make you come out from the boy and not enter anybody again. The demon shout, shake the boy well, come comot from him body. The boy sleep for ground, so tey many people come dey say, he don die. But Jesus hold the boy hand small, carry am up, and the boy come stand up. When he enter the house, him disciples come ask am, why we no fit drive the demon comot? Jesus answer them, na only with prayer and fasting this kind one dey take comot. Jesus talk about him death and resurrection again. Jesus and him disciples come comot from there pass Galilee. But Jesus no want make anybody know, because he dey teach and tell him disciples say, they go sell man pikin give human being, then go kill am, and after 3 days he go wake up again. But the disciples no understand wetin Jesus talk, and fear no let them ask am wetin he mean. Question about who big pass. They come reach Capernaum, so when Jesus don enter house, he come ask him disciples, wetin una dey talk for road? But dem no answer, because when dem dey come for road, na who big pass among dem dey argue about. After Jesus sit down, he call him 12 disciples, come tell them, if anybody among una wan be first, he go be the last, and he go be everybody servant. He come call one small pikin stand for their front. Then he hold the pikin hand come say, anybody wey welcome one of these small pikin because of me, na me he welcome. And anybody wey welcome me, not be me alone he welcome, but na my papa wey send me. People wey dey Jesus side. John come tell am, teacher, we see one man wey use your name dey drive demon comot from inside people body, and we can't try to stop am because he no dey follow us waka. But Jesus tell them, make una no stop am, because nobody wey use my name do miracle go fit talk bad thing about me. Because anybody wey not dey against us dey for our side. I tell una true word, anybody wey give you cup of water because you dey follow me, no go ever lose in reward. If anybody make one among these small pikin wey believe me commit sin, e go better make they tie big stone for him neck, come throw am inside river. If your hand go make you sin, make you cut am comot. E better make you enter inside God kingdom with one hand than to get 2 hands, come enter hell fire wey no dey ever quench. The place where e get warm, where e no dey die, and the fire no dey quench. If your leg go make you sin, make you cut am comot. E better make you enter God kingdom with 1 leg than to get 2 legs, come enter hell fire where no dey ever quench. The place where e get warm, where no dey die, and the fire no dey quench. If your eye go make you sin, make you pull am comot. E better make you enter God kingdom with 1 eye than to get 2 eyes, enter hell fire where no dey ever quench. The place where e get warm, where no dey die, and the fire not dey quench. God go try everybody with fire. Salt good, but if e no get taste again, how person go fit take make am sweet? Make una get salt inside una, and make una dey live for peace with each other.
All of us for Barnabas Corner, they say we thank una for watching. Abeg, una go help us subscribe to the channel, then now click that notification bell so that anytime we upload another new video on our phone go green una. Una go help us like the video, una help us share am with una friends, and most important, make una tell us wetin una think for the comment section below. May Baba God bless all of us. Amen.